Hello all, welcome. This is J1939 continuation. This transport protocol session on J1939. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button if you did not subscribe. So as we know in overview J1939 overview we have seen like on CAN driver J1939 manager and on top of it PGN or PGN handler or PGN list, transport protocol, diagnostics, network management, and timing. So today's session we finished in previous sessions we finished manager and PGN. Now we'll look into the transport protocol. So getting into transport protocol, the parameter groups, we already know about parameter groups that contain more than 8-bit data are transmitted by means of by means of a transport protocol. For peer-to-peer and broadband transmission, there are two different protocols. The transport protocol utilizes two special parameter groups which are used for the connection management, that is TP .cm and the transmission of data tp.dt. For broadcast transmission, the BAM, that is broadcast announce message protocol, is used. Here after a BAM PG, the transmitter sends all the data PGs at a minimum interval of 50 milliseconds. So in further discussions we will see into the configuration of options available for this transport protocol in J1939 and transport protocol functions as usual. Okay, so let's get on to the configuration operation. The file J1939 underscore conf.h contains definitions for configuration of the network management module. Please set the symbols to an appropriate value in order to achieve a specific timing behavior of J1939. For a detailed specification, please refer to the HTML documentation available provided by your OEM. Okay, let's see some of the symbols where we can go for this configuration operation options available. One is BAM trim TRM buffer size. This symbol defines the size in byte of the message buffer for BAM. The maximum value is 1792. And another symbol is TP underscore RCV, that is receive buffer size. RCV buffer size. This symbol defines the size in byte for reception of tp.dt messages. The maximum value is once again 1792. And the final is TP underscore TRM buffer size. This symbol defines the size in byte for transmission of tp.dt messages. The maximum value is 1792. So these three configuration options are available in J1939 transport protocol as we discussed earlier, if you understood the previous stuff. Let's see what are all functions available in transport protocol functions list. So the transport protocol function of J1939 protocol stack have a prefix J1939 underscore BAM dot RESP dot J1939 underscore TP. So the major function transport protocol functions heavily used is only single function, that is J1939 underscore BAM set delay. The delay between broadcast messages is carried out by this. Let's see what is the syntax of this BAM set delay and what is the function it does and what all parameters we pass through into this function and what return values it will get. So this is how it is associated. Void J J1939 underscore BAM set delay will take a parameter called UW delay time V. This is the delay between broadcast messages. So the function sets the delay between single broadcast message. The parameter denotes the time in milliseconds. The default initial value is 50 milliseconds and it returns none, hence it is void. So with this we conclude required elements for transport protocol. In this we discussed about configuration options available, three configuration options available, and the function, mainly used function called BAM set delay in the transport protocol. So next we will get on to the diagnostics in our next video. So please kindly subscribe to our channel if you did not subscribe by clicking subscribe button for more updates. Thank you.